Hello there everyone, welcome back to Ants Authority. Today we will discuss about the topic invasive red fire ants found in Europe. In this video we will discuss about this topic in detail, so let's start the video. On 11 September 2023, a report was published in the journal Current Biology about the appearance of invasive red fire ants in Europe for the first time. Mattia Menchetti and a few other researchers found 88 nests of red imported fire ants in Sicily, Italy that were spread over an area of 47,000 square meters. In 2019, the locals of Syracuse reported the presence of fire ants in their region after getting stung by these dangerous insects. Their genetic analysis provided information about the source of origin, and the researchers learned that these ants come from the US and China. Moreover, the environmental conditions of Europe were favorable for their survival and reproduction, so they moved to these regions and continued to increase their population for survival. The report was published in the journal Current Biology on 11 September 2023 that was about the invasion of red fire ants in Europe for the first time. It was unexpected and distressing news for the locals and researchers because they knew of possible structural damages and painful bites associated with this species. Mattia Menchetti is doing PhD at the Institute of Evolutionary Biology in Barcelona and has great knowledge about hymenopterans. He saw photos of the infested area and reached there with his research colleagues to collect the sample for analysis. They found around 88 mature nests in regions of the Sicily and Syracuse. These nests were spread over 47,000 square meters, almost equal to a football stadium. Mattia mentioned the quick spreading behavior of red fire ants and their invasive nature. Accordingly, their nests become a reason for discomfort and worry for locals and researchers who began to find their origin and develop strategies to control them. Fire ants are commonly present in South America and are native to this region, but they move and live in other areas when they find a favorable environment there. Mattia and a few other researchers studied the behavior of red fire ants and their source of origin by collecting a few ants from nests reported in different areas of Italy. It was essential to find their entry routes to control the world's worst species of ants from invading these places and stop them from reaching other areas. Moreover, Italy, Belgium, and the Netherlands provide a suitable environment for these deadly ants. That's why they reach these places and invade by making more and more nests. These researchers tried to understand their possible entry routes and said that these invasive ants come to Europe through contaminated plants when imported from their native country. In addition, another entry route mentioned in the report was cargo ships' holds, and it was estimated that these insects spread to this region from the cargo ports. Furthermore, the researchers monitored their populations to keep them under control and avoid their movement to different regions within Europe. These spread through nuptial flight and lay eggs in four areas, providing a suitable warm and humid environment for egg laying and development. So, one potential reason for these ants' presence on this continent is that almost 7% of the region of this continent is suitable for their survival. Thanks for watching the video.